my name is Karen Alcantara and this is Made in Mexico. Today we're going to talk about Mexican independence, when it's celebrated, how it's celebrated, and why it's celebrated. First of all, I want to be clear. Mexican independence is not Cinco de Mayo. What? Yes, it's not Cinco de Mayo, okay? Yes, guys, I guess a lot of you thought that was our Independence Day, but it's not. Actually, we don't celebrate Cinco de Mayo that much here in Mexico. I mean, we don't go to school that day, but it's not our Independence Day kind of celebration. In the day of our independence, we don't use maracas, we don't wear ponchos, we don't drive burros, or wear sombreros. Well, maybe the last one is true. We do wear sombreros. So when Mexicans do actually celebrate Independence Day, we celebrate it each year on September 15th. But the actual day is September 16th. We start celebrating at night, on the midnight of September 15th. We gather with friends, family, and we go to their houses, they come to our houses, or we go to plazas, and we drink, eat, and have fun celebrating this important date. The date when our independence started, midnight, is like the main highlight. We gather and we hear this. These bells are a representation of what Miguel Hidalgo did back in 1810 on September 16. This representation is made by the former president. He starts by saying, "Viva los héroes que nos dieron patria." And the public says, "Viva! ¡Viva Hidalgo! ¡Viva! ¡Viva Morelos! ¡Viva! ¡Viva Josefa Ortiz de Domínguez! ¡Viva! ¡Viva Allende! ¡Viva! ¡Viva Aldama y Matamoros! ¡Viva! ¡Viva la independencia nacional! ¡Viva! ¡Viva México! ¡Viva! ¡Viva México! ¡Viva! ¡Viva México! ¡Viva!" At the end, he rings the bell 3 times. And then fireworks start appearing. And you hear music, and it's super nice. Of course, this was not the same speech Miguel Hidalgo did back in 1810. His speech intended to encourage people to join the independence movement. But this speech that the former president gives is to celebrate that we had our independence. This celebration is held at Palacio Nacional in Mexico City. But at the end of each presidential term, the term of a president in Mexico is 6 years, and there's no re-election. But that's more about the revolution. Let's go back to the Independence Day. As I was saying, the president in his last term goes to Dolores Hidalgo in Guanajuato, where the independence movement started. On this day, we eat typical Mexican food. Some of it is only for the season, like chiles en nogada. But there are several more, like tamales or pozole, that are served this day, and they're delicious. And you can eat all this food in friend houses, on your own house. You invite friends, they bring food, or you can go to a hotel where they do Mexican parties, or to a club. Well, in the club you don't have food, but you have Mexican music and mariachis, and it's really nice to be celebrating this day. Also, there are markets at city squares where you can buy typical Mexican food. You can also have different things to do in order to wait for midnight, and then after midnight you hear the fireworks, you celebrate, and it's awesome. On the morning of September 16, there's a parade in Mexico City held by the armed forces. This parade is done each year to celebrate this day. So why we celebrate it? After almost 300 years of Spanish colonial domination in what was known as New Spain, a group of criollos, people that are born in America but their parents are from Spanish origin, decided that they wanted the same rights as the Spanish-borns. This movement officially started on the early morning of September 16, 1810, when the priest Miguel Hidalgo gave the Grito of Dolores. And it ended 11 years after, on September 27, 1821. The main objective of this social and military movement was to free the Mexican territory from the Spanish viceroyalty. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, like it down below, subscribe if you want to continue knowing more about this amazing, beautiful country, my beautiful Mexico. And in honor of Miguel Hidalgo and the Independence Day, click the bell so you can know when I post a new video. That's it. So I hope to see you next time. Adios!